Hey, fifth graders, let's check out what you are working on today. We're almost done with our week already. Tomorrow is Thursday. Okay, so you are doing a review for religion. You can either do it through the Google form I have listed in this assignment, or you can do it in your workbook. They're the exact same questions, just a digital format. Sorry about 2 in a row, but you do have a quiz on classifying shapes. So this goes over classifying a polygon, classifying a triangle, classifying quadrilaterals. You're welcome to use your textbook or any activities we've done so far to take this quiz. Just try to do it independently. For Mysteries at Cliff Palace, we are on slide 4, which should be the second half of the text questions, if I remember correctly. Yep. So it looks like this question, it asks you to just type it. If you want to insert a shape over, like just insert a circle over your answer, you can do that too. It's up to you. And you can find that in your magazine digitally or at home. If you're following along with the alphabet book, doing a couple letters a day, you either on M and N or O and P, or just any 2 letters of the alphabet. We're getting pretty close to being done here. They look really great so far, so if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, just trying to get it done by Thursday of next week so you can do the Flipgrid. For spelling, you've got 3 activities to finish this week. Try to get those finished up for the end of the week. We're on slides 18 and 19 for science. Let's look at those. So for 18 and 19, we're looking at something specific. So measuring weather, we're talking about what technology they use when they're looking at water, earth, and living things in terms of the different spheres. So page 18 is to read, page 19 is also to read, and then 1 question. So this is kind of an overall encompassing question, thinking back to all we've learned about Earth systems and how they interact. Use 1 or more things you've learned as evidence to support an argument that different technologies in different locations are required to develop good understanding of weather conditions on Earth. So why do they need something on land, something in the air, something in space, and something floating in the ocean to tell us about weather? What does that have to do with the living things? What does it have to do with water? What does that have to do with the atmosphere? And what does that have to do with Earth? So kind of thinking about it all encompassing as to why these 4 areas are necessary in order to talk about weather. So that's your last question for the page before we get to the lesson check on Monday. And the last thing is we're on westward expansion, slide 28 through 33. Let's see here. So we're reading about transportation at the time of the westward expansion. So 28 through 33. You're going to read about it. Here's a picture of the steamboats to go along with the slide on steamboats. I have a video about the Erie Canal along with a slide about the Erie Canal, and then 1 question to answer. How did the steamboat and the Erie Canal help to open up the Northwest Territory to more development? And remember, the Northwest Territory would be kind of our neck of the woods, this black region. So the Erie Canal kind of connected us to the Atlantic Ocean over here. Kind of think about how that opened up the Northwest region for growth and development. All right, that's the last of the questions I have for you today. I hope you guys have a wonderful Thursday. See you later.